What's up, YouTube? Just Jay at it again. I did a couple test runs before I started to record. Got a little road rage already. But man, this two-wheel drive it's definitely something to play with and have some fun. Oh my God, it's too much power. This Valenia is too much power. Hold it. Put your phone up, so.
He's fast. That's real fast. Yeah. Oh my God, he's doing wheelies.
Open it up, YouTube. Hopefully I don't wreck it again.
Jesus.
Can't keep it on the ground, YouTube. Try to do my best.
Look at this car.
Too fast.
This car just flipped.
I'm destroying my Nova body. It is getting destroyed today. Oh man. But this is what it's all about.
Is this the fastest car you ever made?
No.
Look at it go. I think we're going.
Do a couple burnouts. Do a couple burnouts. Heat these tires up. Let you guys see the power.
Look at that. Dang.
To be continued.
That got some power to it. Real